How to share your profile link on Instagram? Well, let me show you how it's done. So it's a pretty simple process. All you have to do is remember your username or copy it from someplace, and all you have to do is then go to Chrome or any of the other browsers, whichever you like. Just go there, and all you have to do is type in instagram.com /the username of your account which you want to share. Since it is techno savviness in my case, I'm going to type that, and that's actually pretty much it. Once you do this, it will directly take you to your account, as you can see, and which is a really nice and foolproof way of sharing your profile link with others. So that once you do this, all you have to do is just copy it, and that's it. My profile link has been copied, and now I can share it with anyone I want. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, comment down below on what next videos we should make, or if you have any further questions about this video. And that's pretty much it. Bye bye.